Hello everyone and welcome to Opnbi. I am Dima here. I am going to show you project management dashboard using data created from monday.com. You can see on the screen. If you want to learn how to connect data from monday.com to Opnbi, the link is provided in the description. So for that, after login in the Opnbi, click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard. Here you can see the list of available dashboard. In that, select the project management dashboard and open it. Some of the features are explained there in detail like as an overview of a dashboard, project, budget and detailed data. So if you wish to watch it for a better learning, the link is provided in the description. Alright, now I am showing you a detail of a dashboard. So first of all, what is the project management? Project management is focused on perfect planning. Before you even get started, you break down and schedule the entire project from the start to finish. So here you can see that 3 KPI, key performance indicator, user, total 11 user, 20 projects and task count. It is the total task count of all the project. Here you can see the project by progress, project status, project priority and project phase widgets. Project by progress, so all the project progress like lobster is 95% completed, hornets is 90% completed. Here you can see the project status. There are 5 status of the project: delay, cancel, pending, in progress and completed. Here you can see the priority of the project. There are three types of priority: medium priority, low priority and high priority of a project. High priority projects are 20% and medium priority projects are 45%. Here you can see the phases of the project, like project is in which phase: development phase, production, test, design, analyze, planning. Here you can see the status color. Here we can identify the project status by its color. Delay means red color, yellow means cancel, pending orange, in progress blue color, completed means green color. Here you can see the project and status, both are the filter. Here you can filter the project by selecting the particular project name. Here you can see the status of all the project. So here you can see the list of the projects. So for example, I want to see the detail of the particular lobster project. So click on that project. So here you can see the project's progress. 95% completed this project. This is in delay status. 100 priority is medium and it is in production phase. So if you want to see all the details of that project, so click on the delay. So here you can see the project is filter lobster, status is delay. So here you can see the project name, status, issue and what is the action taken for the delay. Here you can see the estimated time and utilized time. Here you can see the project wise task. 20 tasks are allocated for the lobster project. Now click on the clear filter and here you can see all the detail of all the project. Here the list of all the project name, status, issue and action. Here you can see the project completion time, what is the estimated hours for that project and what is the utilized time for that project. Here you can see the project wise task for all the project. Alpha project has 18 tasks, Hornets has 19 tasks. Now go to the budget. Here you can see the project and status both are filter. Budget and actual expense, these both are KPI. Budget is total budget, but total budget allocated for all the project, and what is the actual expense, what is the utilization of the project. Here you can see the status color, yearly budget. Here we indicate the total budget of year wise total budget. For example, 2020 allocated 2020 total budget 6 lakhs, 2021 2022. Here you can see the distributed budget phase wise. Planning phase has this much budget, design has 9 lakh budget. Budget versus actual cost. Here you can see what is the actual budget allocated and what is the utilization of this budget. Here you can see the budget status. There are 2 types of status: under budget and over budget. It indicates the total project which are in under budget. 17 projects are in under budget, and 50% means 3% project are in over budget. Now go to the detailed data. Here you can see the filter of year, project status, milestone means phases, priority and budget status. Here you can see all the details of that project. So if I want to see all the detail, for example, project name, status, phases, project is in which stage, priority of the project, year, budget status, responsible, who is the responsible person for the project, who is the, what is the progress of that project, particular information. So you can see, you can use the filter. So if I am selecting Orion, you can see that Orion project is in and pending. Phases is milestone, priority is low, year is 2020, budget status is under budget, and who is the responsible person. So this is all about project management dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.